Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I will be showing you how to buy the Shiba Inu coin in Binance using USDT. It's quite easy to get this done. Make sure you have a Binance account, and if you do not have an account on Binance, use our link in the description to stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. Make sure you have some USDT or any cryptocurrency that can be converted to the USDT, like the Tron, Bitcoin, BNB. So in order to buy yourself some of the Shiba Inu, you're going to need cryptocurrency. So head over to the home section, click on the convert. And once you selected the convert option where we have the token, click on the token and search for USDT. Click on the USDT, and where we have convert to, that we're converting to a different token, search for SHIB. Now the Shiba Inu can be converted into from USDT. So you can convert your USDT to Shiba Inu. Click on the spot wallet, click on funding wallets, enter the amount of USDT you wish to use, click on preview conversion, and simply click on convert. Once that's done, the transaction becomes successful. Click on the back home feature, head back to the wallet section at the bottom right, scroll to your spot of funding, and you'd find that the Shiba Inu token is on our wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can buy the Shiba Inu in Binance using USDT.